Have you ever wondered why our stomachs growl when hungry? It's all about a process called peristalsis. When we're hungry, our brain sends signals to the stomach. These signals tell the stomach to start moving. This movement creates sounds like a rumble. It's like a musical performance, but from your belly. Even if we eat, the stomach keeps moving. That's why you might hear growling even after a meal. It's a sign your body is working hard. So next time you hear that rumble, don't worry. It's just your stomach saying, "I'm ready for food." Remember, it's all part of being human. So embrace the growl. It's a sign of life. Stay curious and keep learning about your body.